This is a review of the Razer Kraken wired gaming headphones. That's a V4 that we're going to be doing a unboxing review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are going to test this product out. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so we have the package taken out. I do want to say the packaging is very nice. I love how the packaging is. Let's open this up and show you guys the headphones themselves. And you can see how they are inside. I love how they packaged it very well. And let's pull out the headphones themselves. It's in a cloth that you have to open it up, and it comes with the storage bag as well too. So in case if you're not using it, you can always store it up and put it back inside, which is a huge plus for them to provide that. Let's take it out, and there right there, we got the headphones themselves. And I absolutely love the quality of these headphones. You can see how high quality these headphones are. And we're gonna go take the plastic out from here. Take this out from here. And there, right there, we have the USB. This is a Type C, and you can use a Type A as well too. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to put this onto a test to see how well they work, and then I'll give you guys my feedback and let you guys know how these headphones perform and whether or not if you should buy them. Okay, so before I get into the clarity and the sound of how well these headphones sound, I do want to show you guys this right over here. So for example, if you're trying to use your Type C, you just take it off like that, and that's how you use your Type C. So you can use that for your iPhone. And if you're doing gaming or something like that and trying to use your Type A, all you have to do is just plug this in right over here. And just like that, you could just use your Type A like that and make it compatible for your gaming, like for example, a PS5 or Nintendo Switch. And just like that, that's how easy it is to switch it from a Type A to a Type C. Okay, so I just got back testing this gaming headset, and I do want to say that the clarity, the sound, it has the deep bass. It really is extremely loud when I had it played at full volume. I'm testing this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it does come with a Type C and a Type A. This works for your PS5, your Nintendo Switch, it works for your PC, and it works for all other things as well too. And I do want to say that the quality of this is really high quality, and it's to the point that I can't even feel that I'm wearing headphones. The inside layer of this, the cushion itself is super soft inside, you can see. And then right from here, one thing I also love the fact is that these headphones, they are also adjustable as well too, so you can adjust it to however you want it. If your head size is a little bit larger, you could, adjust it according to your size. Another thing I also love the fact is that once I have like music or something played on, these LEDs, they change colors. For example, if I have it on like right now, you can see it changed to different RGB colors. It could go from green. It just looks very nice, especially if you're playing games at night and you have the lights off. It really looks really cool. And or if you're just listening to music, it just looks really cool as well too. And I also love the fact that if you're on your PS5, for example, the headphones themselves, they come out. For example, the microphone right over here is located where it pulls out like that, and you can see how once you want to close it up, you just close it just like that. And it automatically just goes inside like that. And when it's time to go play games with your friends on your PS5, you just have it on like that. And from there, you just wear your headphones on and then, talk through the mic when you're doing your online gaming and all that stuff. It really is very, very easy to use. And I just love the way these headphones are. The cushion's extremely soft. You can't even tell, like I'm wearing it right now, and it's extremely soft to the point that it doesn't even look like I'm even wearing headphones. That's how soft it is. And overall, I would definitely recommend these gaming headphones if you're looking for a new replacement set of gaming headphones, or you're looking for a different style of gaming headphones that you're trying to upgrade. Then these ones right over here are probably one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that they're super soft. The headphones, the quality is really nice as well too, and it has that clarity, that deep bass. It just really is one of the perfect headphones that I ever had, and I would definitely recommend this product.